Okay, YouTubers, Chicken 0365. I've got it right in front of my mouth at the moment, and I have got a chin curtain on, so hopefully that'll reduce some of the wind noise. I just don't like watching videos on YouTube where all you can hear is wind noise, and I know that on some of mine you can hear a lot of wind noise, so I'm just working now on trying to reduce that. If anyone's got any tips or ideas, you can put a comment on my channel, let me know how you reduce wind noise on yours. I think that is the biggest problem with video blogging on a bike, is the wind noise. I want you to be able to hear me talk, and I also want you to be able to hear the noise from the Yoshimura R77 exhaust, but what I don't want is bloody wind. So it's hard to eliminate one without the other. But so like I said, if anyone's got any ideas or tips, please let me know, because I just want to get rid of that wind noise for good. Right, we'll see how we go on now with this wind noise. Once we get out of Christchurch, which we have done now, the road open up, we'll get up a bit of speed. Then we'll be able to see how our mic setup is. If it's not right, we'll have to try something else. But any tips are welcome and greatly received. Okay, I can hear the wind noise now in my ears. I hope the microphone's not picking it up. Like I said, if it is, then back to the drawing board we go. Try and try again. Never give up. There'll be wind noise at 70 miles an hour. It is pretty open up here in the New Forest. I know there's trees either side of the road, but this is the New Forest. It is pretty wide open. You do get quite a lot of breeze and a bit of wind up here compared to when you're down in the valleys. But then I suppose it's a good place to test your microphone and things like that. This A35, Lindus to Christchurch, Christchurch to Lindus, whichever way you ride it. Certainly beats coming down the A31 sat in traffic. If you're ever going from Bournemouth to the M27, instead of going up the A31 to the M27, why not take a bit of a detour through Christchurch and come up the A35, and this is what you'll get.